Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will explore Nvidia in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of November, 2024. Today, we will provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has ranked Nvidia as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.75. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 20.17% since we first recommended purchasing Nvidia 27 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.75% per day, since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $149.34 will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 24.8% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 4.57% to 26.25%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of 192.42% over the next year, with potential returns between 138.56% and 195.66%. This implies a price range of $352.19 to $436.49 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Nvidia stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to hold accumulate after Friday trading session. The Nvidia stock price experienced a decline of 0.84% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, dropping from $148.88 to $147.63. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.39%, reaching a low of $146.26 and a high of $149.76. The stock has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 4.3% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume fell alongside the stock price, which is considered a positive indicator as volume typically follows price trends. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 22 million shares, with a total of 173 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $25.55 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $149.76, while the lowest was $45.01. Currently, the price is 1.42%, or $2.13, below the 52-week high of $149.76, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia has made headlines today with a significant achievement. It officially joins the Dow Jones Industrial Average, surpassing Apple to become the world's most valuable company, with a market cap exceeding $3.6 trillion. This milestone not only highlights Nvidia's dominance in the AI chip market, but also enhances its visibility among investors, potentially boosting stock prices in both the short and long term. CEO Jensen Huang announced exciting developments hinting at a new era for AI, which could further fuel investor enthusiasm. The company has gained around 9% this week alone, driven by strong demand for its AI products. Such momentum often attracts new investors while retaining existing ones, leading to increased trading volume and higher valuations. Moreover, Nvidia's replacement of Intel in the Dow signifies a major shift in the index's composition, reflecting growing tech prominence and investor confidence in Nvidia's future. This could create a feedback loop, as inclusion in the Dow may lead to increased ownership by institutional funds, further propelling share prices upward. As Nvidia continues to expand its influence in the tech industry, it is poised for substantial long-term growth on the back of rising AI demand, making it a focal point for investors looking to capitalize on the tech revolution. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an equal weight rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald rated NVIDIA's overweight with a hold action. Also on that day, KeyBank provided an overweight rating for NVDA, accompanied by a hold action. Furthermore, Oppenheimer rated NVDA as perform with a hold recommendation, also on that day. Lastly, Piper Sandler assigned NVDA an overweight rating, combined with a hold action on the same date. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock an overall neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $140.89 and $133.44. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. There are also some negative signals that may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 0.84%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 39 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 39 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $131.60 and $117.59. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia has support just below today's level at $131.60. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $117.59 and $116.91. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.50 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 2.39%. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.44%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could imply that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 20th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 0.740. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia stands at $148.88. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia faces its first support level at $131.60. Should this support hold, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 9th of October, 2024, Mark A. Stevens conducted an insider sale of 155,000 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of October, 2024, Mark A. Stevens conducted another insider sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 27th of September, 2024, Mark A. Stevens sold 40,000 shares of common stock. On the 24th of September, 2024, Mark A. Stevens sold 165,100 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Jensen Huang sold 1,568,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 94.493. Overall, insiders purchased 48,359 shares and sold 5,923,740 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $141.43, representing a decline of 4.20%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top that was identified 1 day ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia presents several positive indicators. However, these do not entirely warrant a recommendation for purchase at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider it a hold or accumulate in this position while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our assessment of this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and trading movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of November, we anticipate Nvidia will open up by approximately 25 cents and begin trading at $147.88. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.